Pinkfong. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Subscribe. Aw, too bad we can't go outside and play.
I know, it's pouring rain outside.
I am so bored. What should we do?
Is everybody bored?
Yes. Oh, Grandpa! Do you want to play with us?
Oh, that sounds great. What do you want to do?
Hide and seek. You're it.
Do not go into narrow spaces, it's dangerous. Do not get stuck in narrow spaces, it's dangerous.
Hide, hide. Let's hide, hide, hide. Behind the door.
Stuck. Your body might get stuck when opening and closing the door.
Hide, hide, let's hide, hide, hide. Behind the window.
Stuck. Your body might get stuck when opening and closing the window.
Oh!
Hide, hide, let's hide, hide, hide. Behind the curtain.
Too tight. Do not cover yourself. Door?
No, no, no!
Window?
No, no, no!
Curtain?
No, no, no!
Do not go into narrow spaces, it's dangerous. Do not get stuck in narrow spaces, it's dangerous.
Should we take a break? I will go get you some snacks.
And then let's put our finger inside the fan.
Don't put it in, don't put your finger in. You might get a cut.
In, let's put our finger inside the electrical socket.
Don't put it in, don't put your finger in. You might get shocked.
Ouch!
In, let's put our head in between the banister.
Don't put it in, don't put your head in. You might get stuck.
Oh!
Fan?
No, no, no!
Socket?
No, no, no!
Banister?
No, no, no!
Do not go into narrow spaces, it's dangerous. Do not get stuck in narrow spaces, it's dangerous.
Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Subscribe!
Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.